Good morning, everyone. We are back. Another beautiful day. If you guys are just joining me on this playlist, we are going on to day 5 at this project. It's Friday. We started this project on Monday, so make sure you check out the videos before this one if you haven't already to see how we got to where we are now. But thanks for joining me where we are. You ready, Ben? Ready. Alright guys, we got that step set in up there, way at the top. That is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 steps. Wind's howling. Alright, I'm going to be leaving you guys here with Benny. So Benny's going to lay out the border while I'm gone. He's got the outer border, now he's going to put the inner border in. He's going to lay it out, mark all our pavers so that it's ready to cut. I'm going to leave you guys with him on time lapse. You take good care of these guys, Benny? Alright, I'm gonna go get some topsoil. So I guess to talk a little bit about the business aspect now. This is my own job. I know a lot of the jobs that I've been having on my YouTube channel they're from last year, and last year I did a lot of subcontracting for my cousin, the owner of Warren Landscaping. The shirts that you guys see me in, and the mini excavator and machines, most of those are my cousin's. But this is my job. I'm gonna have a few more weeks of my jobs lined up, and you know, it's really going to be my first year of getting a lot of my own contracts. I've sold a lot. I've sold work before. I've been a salesman in landscape, and I've been selling my own side work for the past 8 years now, even when I'm not working full time. So I'm still learning, and you know, to me, when you do estimates and you bid jobs, you really just got to factor in all the materials you think you're going to need, the time that it's going to take to do it, a little bit of cushion for some profit, and also a little bit of extra money for, you know, just materials and stuff. You never know exactly. It's hard to get a perfect estimate on jobs like this. So just to bounce off of what I was saying in the truck there, you know, when it comes to estimating and bidding jobs like this, guys, it's pretty tough, especially if you're watching this channel and you're a small business owner in the hardscape industry yourself. Bidding these jobs is really tough. You know, you have a few things you're trying to think about. You're trying to think about the best cost for the customer, but you're also trying to think of, you know, making as much money as possible, because you know that your labor and your skill, the trade that you're in, you know, it's valuable, it's worth money, what you do, you know. I mean, look at what Benny's laying out here, you know. He's laying out a nice custom front entryway. You know, we're here on this job to give this customer a way to reach their front door, or a way for their company to reach their front door, but also leave a lasting impression on anybody that has been to this house, you know. And that's what homeowners really want when they hire companies like us, you know, hardscape or landscape construction companies, to come in and change things of their property, especially this front yard here. If you haven't seen this playlist, the beginning or anything, and seen what this was like before, all it was grass and a really bad, very steep slope to their front staircase. So they've been there for a few years, and they were really interested in changing the look of the front of their house. And a lot of times in this industry, these customers, these homeowners, have a limited amount of options to choose from when it comes to contractors who do this type of work. It's a pretty specialized trade right now. I feel like it's growing. The the spark of this industry is growing right now, but it is still limited. So if you're in an area where the economy is pretty decent, more than likely, if you do this work, you're not going to have a problem finding work. And at that point, all you have to do is focus on your quality, focus on what you do, and try to learn something from every job, every estimate, every project. Every day. You just keep moving, and you put in the bank everything that you learn from that day. All right, we are almost at the place to get some topsoil. This is where we've been getting our stone. It's right here in Oxford where I live. It's called Robin's Garden Center. It's not the most commercial material provider, but it's close. It's good prices. So we like to come here. Busy. All right, I'm gonna go in and order the topsoil we need, and then all their stuff is in the back here. Their gravel and their looms out in the way back. So I'm gonna go get my slip, and I'll be right back. Nice place, a lot of different material. There's a whole nother side over on that side. He's grabbing one more. That'll be 3 yards. That's about all the trailer can take safely. All right, we're pulling up, back to the job. See what Benny's up to. How the heck you doing, bud?
You have that thing on, bro?
I do. Got this thing all marked out, bud?
Yes, sir.
Looks lovely. Benny, time to cut the border, bud. You ready for this?
I'm ready. Ready as I'll ever be.
This is your walkway here. I have not done anything on this walkway other than walk by him and critique it. I've walked on it a lot of times, Benny. That's about it. It looks mint, dude. So he's got all the lines marked out here. On this side, that side, the front. And he's going to score it with the saw. Score that red line. And then we'll throw some water on it and we will cut it. So let's get right into it. I don't know what you guys cut with. For me, it's nothing but a steel. TS 420. But yeah, Steel TS 420. This is not a paid advertisement. It's just a great saw.
It's heavy.
Remember the Husqvarna, bro? I don't like the Husqvarna, man. It's just not weighted correctly. It's front heavy. You ready to score that line, Benny? See what you got? You want a mask?
No. You want a mask?
Benny, nice walkway, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Friday we did a lot of work off camera at the end because the day was coming to an end and we had a lot to do. This is Ben's walkway. He's just got to finish up some of the small cuts to close the deal on the walkway. Looks good. I like that small paver, dude.
Yeah, the border looks good.
That double border with the small paver looks real sharp. Even with it being kind of skinny, dude, that's only like 42 inches.
It's like the width. I think it's just a little over the width of the regular small paver.
Yeah.
So it kind of throws in some nice joint lines in there.
Yeah, the regular paver is like 4.5. It's a 4.5 by 9, and those I believe are like a 2 3/8 or something like that by 6 or 7. I don't know. I think 7.
Mm-hmm.
But it looks really sharp. So he's gonna finish up this walkway down here. We gotta finish up this landing. Then we're gonna do this landing right here.